welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Rotel dip. For our ingredients, we have Velveeta cheese, pepper jack cheese, Gouda cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Kobe Jack cheese. We have our hamburger, we have a jalapeno, and we have our Rotel chunky tomatoes. Here we're going to cut up our pepper jack cheese into chunks. Now we're cutting up our mozzarella cheese into chunks. We are cutting up our smoked Gouda cheese. And here we are cutting up our Kobe Jack cheese. We're only going to use half of our Velveeta cheese. And now I'm just going to only use half of this jalapeno, and we're going to cut that up into small pieces. Add a little bit of spicy to it. Now we have all our cheeses cut up. Our pepper jack, our Gouda, our Velveeta cheese, our mozzarella cheese, and our Kobe Jack cheese, and a half of our jalapeno. Here we're going to brown up our hamburger meat. We're going to add a little bit of Creole seasoning. And we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And here I'm going to add in some complete seasoning. And then I'm going to add some onion powder. We added about a teaspoon each of each seasoning. And of course you want to add just a little bit of salt. Here I'm browning up the hamburger. And I'm just chopping it up to make sure it's in bite sizes in the dip. Now we're going to take it out and we're going to drain the juices off of our hamburger meat. So we're just taking it out of our pan. I took the opportunity to clean out my pan. That's just me. You don't have to do that. So here we're adding back our hamburger meat. And now we're just going to add all our cheeses. We're adding in our jalapeno, a couple of teaspoons of chopped garlic, and then I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of chopped red onions. And then we're going to add our Rotel tomatoes to the pan also. I did not drain the juices. So I'm going to put my top on and I'm going to let it marinate just a little bit. We want all our cheeses and stuff to melt. So here I have let it melt some, and we're just going to mix everything together. That looks yummy. It was delicious. We did not eat the whole thing. Like I said, I cooked it and I saved half for some pasta and the other half we used as Rotel dip. This is a great appetizer for the new year, football games, parties. This is an awesome recipe. So we have made Rotel dip. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and